Moopanarji from my childhood. And my father and Honorable Moopanarji were working together in Congress. And as a child, even brother G.K. Vasan and myself grew together in Tamil Nadu politics. So it is like my family program. And I am really pleased to pay homage to our great leader Moopanar. And Moopanar is the symbol of simplicity, a symbol of very good politics, and symbol of truthness and non-corruptness. And so I am really, when he was alive, he called me and blessed me. So I'm really very happy with his blessing. Today almost all the NDA leaders were decorating the dais. This is the blessing of our Honorable Moopanarji, because he was dreaming Tamil Nadu with good governance. So definitely today is a great beginning, and almost all the NDA leaders have assembled. It's a good start, and this occurs because of the blessing of our Honorable Moopanarji. And I request, even today, who are all not announced yet, today our Honorable ADMK Chief Edapadi Annan has come here, and Madam Nirmala Sitharaman has attended it, and Sutish from DMDK has attended, and Ravi Pachamuthu, and AC Shanmugam, and Dhanabal, almost all of them, Tamilaravi Maniyanji, Jagan Murthy. So almost all the NDA leaders and appeal who will join the NDA also, they have assembled here. And my appeal is, we all should get united to defeat DMK, because bad governance, misgovernance is nobody is safe in Tamil Nadu. Only propaganda. Yesterday you would have seen Ungaludan Stalin, all the memorandum are floating in the river. That is why they are respecting the people's memorandums. So definitely there should be a change in politics, change in government. 2026, this is a great beginning, I have to say.